Hey guys, today we're back again in another web development series video. Today we're going to be discussing very interesting stuff. So first of all, you got to open your Visual Studio Code IDE, and I'll be teaching you how to even make a boilerplate. So first of all, you got to press the exclamation and you see this empty abbreviation. This is a boilerplate in which you could write your main data inside your boilerplate. So this is like the compulsory stuff, whatever you need in every single code whenever you're gonna try to write a web development code to make an display a web page. So we're gonna write this. So as you know that the title, you could write whatever you want to display in the title, which is gonna be coding cleverly for me. And below this, in the body tag, you could be displaying whatever you want to show. So right now we'll make another heading tag, and in this heading tag we'll write hi. So below this, if you want to break a line, if you want to make a break, we're going to write BR for breaking a line. So below this, and as I already told you before, breaking a line doesn't acquire you to even close this tag. Rest every tag you gotta close. Whenever you open it, you gotta close them. But the BR one, you just have to open it once and it's gonna be totally fine. The HR one, the BR one, and HR one. HR stands for horizontal rule. If you want to make a horizontal line inside the web page. So we made it a horizontal line, which is gonna look kind of good. Then we'll write a paragraph tag, and inside the paragraph, I like to code. I'll write this inside. So this is gonna be our paragraph, and below this, I'll be telling you about new stuff as comments. So like comments are those tags which aren't displayed on your web page. Whatever you write inside the comments, it isn't displayed on your web page. So we write the angle bracket, exclamation mark, 2 dashes, and whatever you write inside, like uh, I like to code, and this is our new web dev series. So whatever we're gonna write inside these two in these brackets, this is called a comment. This is not gonna be displayed on your web page. The benefit of this is that whenever you're trying to recall your code, whenever you wanna read it, or if you wanna send it to someone, it's gonna be totally easy for him to understand, and he's gonna understand everything clearly. So we're gonna use another horizontal rule over here, and I'll be teaching you about two new things. One is ordered list and one is unordered list. So these are two types of lists. So in this, first of all, I'll show you about unordered list. Unordered list is been written as UL, and inside this UL, you have to write LI for a list. Whenever you're gonna add something, you're gonna write that in LI. So I'll write coding in first, and then if you want to display another or unordered list, you're gonna write another li, and you're gonna be displaying whatever you want to write inside that. So I'll write cleverly for me, so which is really amazing. So we could see coding above, cleverly in second. This is an unordered list. So below this, we'll try writing an ordered list, another ordered list. We'll use an hr over here and writing an ordered list over here, which is going to be as ol. As we know, ol stands for ordered list, and inside this we're going to add another new list, and in this list we'll write the same thing again, coding. And when we're gonna add another list, we're gonna write li cleverly. We're gonna do this, which is gonna be totally fine, and when we're gonna save it, it's gonna be run on our web page. So I could save this right now, but I want to tell about a last thing, and that's gonna be, I'll tell in this paragraph thing. So you could even make your tag bold. You could, whatever you wrote, like I like to code in the paragraph, you can make this text bold. You're just gonna write angle bracket B, and you gotta close this, and you see whatever you're gonna write over here, it's gonna be written inside. So I like to code. This is a little messed up. I'll delete this, and I'll write over here, I like to code, and then I'll close my bracket. Yeah, B tag. So which is perfectly fine. And whenever I wrote this H1 as a heading one, if I want to make this tag italic, I could even make this italic. I'll write I, so it knows I want to italicize it. So no, I'm not gonna write this over here. And then after the hi, I'll write the closing bracket of, yeah, this is totally fine. Now we're gonna write Control S. We're gonna type it. And then over here, reveal in File Explorer, and you see index.html as we see it. So this is totally fine. So as we see that, first of all, it's hi, I like to code, coding cleverly in this unordered list, and then the ordered list we wrote coding cleverly. So I hope you understood these main things. And if you want to inspect the code, the HTML code, what do you want to write? You gotta press right click, and you're gonna see inspect. Whenever you're gonna write inspect, you could see the code, whatever you wrote inside on your Google Chrome, which is really amazing. So yeah, this is gonna be it for today. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for another amazing videos. And I hope so when we're gonna be ending this series, I'll make a crash course of this HTML in 2 hours, or I'll see how long will it take. So I'll upload that, and that's gonna be really amazing. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.